Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Xavier, the product manager of QNAP. Today, great to introduce our new NAS, TS-x64U here. It's a rack-mount NAS. We have 4-bay and 12-bay models. The processor we use is Intel Celeron M5105 and M5095. It's quad-core. The system has 2.5 GHz network port, PCIe expansion slot, and M.2 SSD support. First part is the hardware overview. The above is the front view of our 12-bay. We support 12 2.5 or 3.5 hard drives. On the right, it has the power button and the LED indicators. It displays the current system status, network connection, and the USB external expansion devices. The CPU of the system supports dual channels. We have 2 sockets. The total capacity we can support is 16 GB. On the right is the model we can order now. There are 3 models. The default configuration is the 4 GB of memory. If there's a large memory requirement, users can add it by themselves. At the beginning of the design, we consider user-friendliness. For a hardware installation, we try to be as simple and convenient as possible. Only 3 steps you can complete the hard drive installation. First, pull out the hard disk tray. Use a tool to fix your hard disk on the tray, and then push them back into the system. Here we introduce the real I/O configuration of TS-x64U. This is the review of the 12-bay model. The I/Os from left to right are PCIe Gen 3x2 expansion slot. Then is HDMI, 2 sets of USB 2.0 port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 port. On the far right is the redundant power supply. The TS-x64U will be installed the new QTS 5.0, which is equipped with the latest Linux 5.10 kernel. It equips the latest Intel processor for the best performance. The Intel Celeron processor supports AES NI encryption, which can effectively increase the transmission speed of encrypted files. The GPU can reach the 800 MSZ. The CPU is for quad-core configuration, and the maximum operating frequency can reach 2.9 GHz. The system default is with 2.5 GB network ports. Compared with 1 GB network, the transmission efficiency is almost double. The sequential read can reach 276 megabytes per second, and the sequential write part can reach 216 per second. The 12-bay models support PCIe Gen 3x2 slots. If users want to upgrade the network speed, they can consider upgrading the 2.5 GB, 5 GB, or 10 GB network card expansion. We currently have at least 7 network cards for selection. All they are plug and play. In addition to the network cards, we also have a PCIe M.2 adapter card for selection. We can expand to M.2 SATA to M.2 NVMe through the PCIe slots, or M.2 NVMe with 1 more 10 GB network port. We currently have these 3 models for choice. In the accessory selection, we have the corresponding rail-B02, and the 3.5-inch transfer to 2 sets of the 2.5-inch kits. If users need more storage space on the system, we also provide external storage expansion devices. There are currently 4 models to choose. An excellent storage system, of course, must be paired with the corresponding first network equipment in order to perform the most of this product. QNAP currently provides corresponding to 0.5, 5G, 10G switches. In addition to the speed selection, we also have network management or management type to choose. Currently, the existing cable Cat5e can support a speed of 5G. QNAP space expansion equipment can provide a large capacity. We have 4 bay or 12 bay to choose. Each NAS can be connected to 2 expansions. We can connect through the USB 3.2 Gen 2 or FF8088 multi-channel ATA interface. QNAP TS-x64U is a high-performance system that integrated various free functions such as backup, sharing, or virtual machine. Let enterprises enjoy multi-purpose machine and save money. In the part of a backup plan, whether you are a Mac or Windows user, you can enjoy our complete backup plan. Mac OS users can back up their data to the NAS through the Time Machine or QSync. Windows users can also back up their data to the NAS through the Netbook or QSync. Creating backup is the best way to fight against ransomware. We support a maximum of 1024 snapshots. Even if you take a snapshot per hour, it still can provide 42 days of file protection. No backup plan is perfect, but the so-called 3-to-1 backup strategy is currently widely accepted. Keep 3 copies of important files. Keep the files on at least 2 types of storage media, and store 1 copy offsite. HBS helps you efficiently back up the files to the local NAS, remote server, or cloud storage space through the multi-version backup mechanism to ensure the safety of important data. It also allows you to easily check the modification records. The new TS-x64U has built-in the QTX 5.0 and is paired with the QVR Elite, built-in 2 camera channels, with a network camera to create a smart surveillance system. QVR Elite has 2 built-in camera channels for free, and you can flexibly expand the recording channel up to 192 through the subscription. Subscription license can be purchased depends on your needs and can be transferred. The system with QVR Elite can also be used with QNAP-related AI applications such as face recognition or people counting. TS-x64U, like our other NAS, can use a free space of the other NAS as its own virtual hard disk through VJ bar, and it can connect up to 8 devices. On the contrary, its own space also be provided to other NAS as a remote virtual hard disk. Through HDMI keyboard and mouse connection, we can turn a NAS into a multimedia center. With an HDMI display, you can use a hyperdesk station to enjoy a variety of ways, whether it is a multimedia application or opening a browser to surf the internet, managing a NAS system, or real-time viewing playback of surveillance video. They can be easily achieved. Our hyperdesk station related application currently covers system management, surveillance, social communication, multimedia management, web browser, and related applications. Everyone can download and use them from our QNAP App Center. QNAP provides revolutionary QTS Linux dual system applications, bringing safety and reliable cloud storage and secondary development application solutions. Users can directly enjoy the rich Linux app through Linux Station and fully enjoy the private cloud system that integrates storage and IoT applications. As long as the HDMI display, the keyboard, and the mouse are connected, the QNAP NAS can be turned into an Ubuntu personal computer. QSearch is a text search engine dedicated to QNAP NAS, allowing you to find the files you need through the file name, content, or the metadata. We can specify the path excluded the keywords detect for advanced search. We can use the QSearch through the web, mobile devices, Mac Finder, and the browser packages. Too much on the NAS application can automatically classify the photos in our NAS by related people and objects through the AI. It can save us a lot of time to manually classify them. Regarding the cybersecurity issue that people are most concerned about, QNAP has also greatly strengthened the security after upgrading QTS 5.0. We support TLS 1.3. The admin account is disabled by default. Advanced encryption suite support, adjust the safety setting, and more stronger safety protection options. We support SSH key login. When we have a firmware or app upgrade, we will send a message to remind the user to upgrade them. QNAP TS-x64U recommend NAS is an economic choice for enterprises. Today's briefing ends here. Thank you very much.